So about a week ago, he brought in this 2019 Chevy Malibu. We did a muffler delete. It wasn't loud enough, so he brought it back. And what we got done on it, still got the converter up here. It's turbo, then 2-inch pipe all the way back, and we eliminated the resonator right there. We cut it and put a pipe in its place and continued the 2 1/4 all the way back. There's the muffler delete we did about a week ago with a turn down. Nice and clean, really beautiful. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's an LT Chevy Malibu. There it is. Chevy Malibu LT 2019. It made a difference. There's the resonator we took off right there. Give it gas again. You remember the sound decibels before? What were they?
No, I don't know.
No. It peaked to like 101. Go ahead and back it out. It's a little bit better.
It does.
Yeah, it made a little bit of a difference. Yeah. That turbo, man, takes all the sound away. That and the Kelly converter, you know? What? It's a little bit better. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Malibu turbo 4-cylinder. There's a resonator. See you later, resonator. We kick it. Let you guys hear it now. Let you guys hear when it takes off. Got a little bit more pop. It's about 20% louder than it was. Not bad. Not bad at all.